What's better, online courses or books? This video is sponsored by SoloLearn. Actually, I already tried it and I must say that it's the perfect app if you want to learn to program. If you want to become a developer, this is a great opportunity. And it's free. There's also a premium package, but SoloLearn allows you to learn everything you need for free. You can learn HTML, JavaScript,
Java, Python, C++,
everything you need. You will learn new languages and level up your tech skills by engaging lessons, taking quizzes to test your understanding. You can also interacting with community members and much more. You can download SoloLearn now from the App Store or Google Play. All links in the description. Many times I find questions about how to start to learn a programming language without being able to buy a book or an online courses. Well, this is your opportunity. SoloLearn. Okay, so first question. Which one do you prefer? If you want, you can comment by writing which one do you prefer. I'm very curious about how many people use online courses and how many people use books. At the end of the video, I will tell you which method I use and according to my experience, which one is the best. Let's talk about online courses. Online courses are very interactive and this is the reason why it's easier to finish a video course than a book. In many online courses, the teacher is available to answer all your questions, and there's also a community made up of all the students where you can help each other. In most online courses there are also projects to build and you will do it with help of the teacher, and that's really helpful. However, sometimes the price of online courses is a bit too high. Sometimes it's worth it and sometimes not. But there are also less expensive courses like Udemy. I'm using Udemy a lot, but also here sometimes it's worth it and sometimes not. What about books? Well, the first positive aspect is that in the future, if you have a doubt or a problem, you can just open the book and check it. Moreover, the books are generally not so expensive. The problem is that there are a few practical exercises, and in addition, books generally don't cover as many topics, as many aspects like courses. And now the following question: which is better? In my Instagram profile I often find questions like what's better, which path, which way should I choose? This is my best advice for you. Start with your favorite one. The choice is yours, because there's one thing that online courses and books have in common. They're not enough. Taking online courses will not make you the best developer, and reading books will not make you, again, the best developer. Guess what? Practice and experience will make you the best developer ever. So again, choose your favorite way, for example, a book, buy a book. Then, when you finish it, choose the opposite option. For example, in this case, buy an online course. You will see both ways and it will be easier for you to choose which one is the best for you. For me, online courses are better. There isn't something that is better or worse. We are all different. You can prefer books, I can prefer online courses. You can prefer online courses and you can prefer books. But there is one last tip I want to give you. Whatever is your choice, buy a notebook and take notes. Take as many notes as you want. This is very important because here I can write all my notes, and whenever I have a problem, then I just can check it. But before ending this video, I would like to ask you to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you have activated the bell, so a notification will come to you at the next video. That's it. See you in the next video.